This is life in Japan. History, traditions, geography, landscapes, and culture. Welcome to Tokyo, a journey through vibrant streets, meticulous beauty, fashion, pet culture, work ethic, magical festivals, Sakura wonderland, culinary delights, Mount Fuji, Aokigahara Forest, snowy escapades, and the timeless beauty of Tokyo. Brace yourself for an extraordinary exploration of Japan's wonders. The enchanting streets of Tokyo. Welcome to Tokyo, Japan, a city brimming with adventure. Our first stop is the awe-inspiring Mount Fuji, standing tall against the sky. In this bustling metropolis of over 35 million people, the Tokyo subway carries a staggering 3.5 billion passengers annually. Did you know that a fellow subway traveler wears a minimum of $5,000 Rolex? It's a testament to Tokyo's enchanting charm. The meticulous beauty of Tokyo. Tokyo mesmerizes with its cleanliness. Smoking is limited to designated areas, and noise levels are monitored. Ingenious parking solutions optimize the limited space, like multi-story lots and rotating circles. The city's famous vending machines offer convenience, such as perfectly brewed hard green tea. Tokyo's high real estate cost is evident, with 1 square meter in Ginza district priced at $400,000. It's no wonder vending machines are popular in this extraordinary city. Fashion, pets, and workaholics. Tokyo's fashion scene mesmerizes with expensive boutiques and stylish locals. The pet care industry thrives, valued at $10 billion. With stores dedicated to luxury pet accessories, Japanese work culture is notorious for workaholic tendencies, with minimal paid leave of 9 to 10 days per year. Premium Fridays were introduced to promote work-life balance, but only 4% of employees embraced the opportunity, showcasing their dedication. The magical Hanami Festival. In Japan, spring unveils the stunning Hanami Festival, a celebration of Sakura blossoms. Japanese gather under the trees, cherishing nature's beauty, engaging in lively conversations, and finding joy in this respite from daily demands. Tokyo's Sakura Wonderland. In the heart of the city lies the Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, home to over 1,500 sakura trees. The sight of the pink blossoms is truly mesmerizing, but be prepared for long lines and bustling crowds. As we traverse the streets, we encounter a blend of tradition and innovation. Capsule hotels offer a unique lodging experience, and we also explore the apartments where locals reside. Tatami floors, sliding doors, and the delicate simplicity of Japanese interiors create a sense of tranquility. Culinary delights and ramen adventures. Let's tantalize our taste buds with Tokyo's gastronomic wonders. From mouth-watering ramen to unique culinary experiences, this city has it all. We dive into the realm of food, exploring the local delicacies that captivate both locals and visitors alike. But Tokyo is not just about feasting, it's a city that embraces technology in every aspect of life. We stumble upon a retro game store that resurrects nostalgia, selling old-school games and sealed cartridges. The mystical Mount Fuji. Leaving Tokyo behind, we embark on a quest to witness the iconic Mount Fuji. Cloaked in clouds for around 260 days a year, catching a glimpse of this magnificent mountain against a clear blue sky is like winning the lottery. Nature's wonders continue to astound us as we traverse the breathtaking landscapes. Aokigahara Forest and Unspoken Shadows. Our path takes us to Aokigahara Forest, a place of both beauty and darkness. Known as the Suicide Forest, it holds a haunting reputation as the second most popular site for taking one's life. Yet, amidst the solemnity, visitors also come to reflect on life and find solace in nature's embrace. Snowy escapades and quirky discoveries. As the snow blankets the landscape, we encounter unexpected moments of joy. From the mesmerizing snow celebrations to the discovery of ingenious inventions like the self-cleaning public toilets, Japan never fails to surprise us. It's a land of contrasts, where tradition intertwines seamlessly with innovation. Kyoto's timeless beauty. Kyoto, a city that embodies the essence of traditional Japan. Unlike the bustling Tokyo, Kyoto offers a serene escape. Ancient districts, geishas, and temples steeped in history transport us to a bygone era. In this enchanting journey, we've witnessed the wonders of Japan, from its bustling cities to its serene landscapes. It's a country that embraces tradition, cherishes nature, and captivates visitors with its unique charm. So, let's raise a toast to travel, adventure, and the indomitable spirit of Japan. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.